Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Honor Magic 8, Magic 8 Pro, Honor Magic V5, Honor X9d, X7d or any of the Honor smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password and you are stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I am at the lock screen of my Honor smartphone. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN password. So to remove any kind of security, you need to do this from the device setting. But since you are logged out of the device, you cannot do this and you will be stuck at the lock screen itself. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a hard reset right from your lock screen. If you're stuck there, but keep one thing in your mind that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with your smartphone. And if you are using your Google account on the device, then it might ask you to enter your Google account credential one more time. So the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you need to press the power key and volume up key together. You need to press and hold it for a while until the Honor logo appears on the screen. Once the Honor logo is there, you can move your finger from the power key, but keep pressing volume up. And then this screen will come. So now we are inside the recovery menu. To navigate between the options, we will have to use the volume keys, volume up to go up, volume down to go down, and power key to select it. So as you can see, one of the option here is clear data. So press volume down to go to clear data, press the power key once. After that, use volume up to go to factory reset and then press the power key one more time. Then on the next screen, it will ask you to type yes because everything will be wiped out from your device. So Honor wants to make sure that you are really doing this activity, you are really doing this factory reset. Just tap on this factory reset here. And you can see the factory reset process is started. And it is completed as well. So now use the volume down to go to back, press power key once, then press volume up to go to restart, and then press the power key once to restart your device. Once the rebooting process is completed, we will start totally fresh and we will go through the setup process and everything that we did in the very beginning when we started using the device, and then we will see whether we got the access back to our smartphone or not. So now let's go through the setup process. So you can see that it is asking me to set up the device protection, the lock screen method. That means previous one is gone, but let's finish our process and let's see whether we got the access back to our Honor X9C Smart here or not. And here we go. So you can see now we are at the home screen and it is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.